Hello everyone, and welcome to the Home XR experience powered by Home XR and iWisdom. Right now what you are seeing is the entry point made by Home XR and iWisdom. Currently you can see the login panel in front of you, where users can log in using their username and password. If a user does not have credentials, they can explore the Experience Demo option if they want to see how the system works. In the Experience Demo, users will have access to free spaces so they can get an idea of what Home XR does. Now we have moved into the Experience Demo section. Here we have two options available: Space 1 and Space 2. We also have both private and public viewing options available. Along with that, the application also shows information about the house, such as how many rooms and bathrooms are available. To enter, we simply entered our name and submitted it. Okay, let's wait for a moment until the modular house space finishes loading. Alright, this is the house we are currently in. We can walk through it. So first of all, let's take a look around the surroundings of the house so we can better understand the overall elevation and exterior design. In this way, the user gets a complete idea of how the house will actually look. Here again, you can see the elevation of the house. We intentionally did not allow the user to move too far outside the area so they can stay focused on the main experience. Now we can see the car parking area, and this pathway leads inside the house. First, let's go upstairs using the stairs. And as you can see, this looks extremely realistic. I mean, ultra-realistic. When you experience this in VR using a Meta Quest headset, it becomes even more immersive and realistic. See, you can closely experience the walls, textures, materials, and overall environment of the house in a very detailed way. Alright, now one interesting thing is that we can decide which doors will open and which ones will remain locked. As you can see, a menu has opened here, and from this panel we can also directly navigate to different areas of the house. Now let's move outside. And here you can see the first washroom. The user can inspect everything inside, including the sanitary fittings being used. If they want, they can even change the sanitary setup and customize different elements. In short, the user can experience the entire space in a very natural and interactive way. In fact, this is an even better way to demonstrate a house compared to a traditional presentation. Sometimes even better than visiting the real house physically, because everything can be explored in detail and customized instantly. Now we are inside the second bedroom. Here again, the user can even change the flooring. If the user is standing on the first floor, they can actually feel the height and perspective through the windows. And if your project has 2 or 3 floors, we can portray the experience in such a realistic way that the user genuinely feels the floor height and spatial depth. Okay, now you can see the wall textures clearly. We are moving outside the room so you can also experience the outer view. You can also notice the wardrobe design and placement. Another important thing is that users can walk naturally by themselves, but right now I am using teleportation while staying in one place, which is a very comfortable way to navigate in VR. Now let's move downstairs. Alright. This is the drawing room. One very interesting feature is the customization system. I wanted to give you a feel of the customization options we provide. Right now, I am showing limited customization options, but the system can support much more. For example, when I want to change the flooring, I simply press the panel, and the customization options appear instantly. You can see how the floor changes in real time. Similarly, we also provide kitchen top customization. We can easily change the kitchen countertop materials and styles instantly without requiring any extra effort. So, this was a quick demonstration of how HomeXR transforms the way homes and spaces can be presented, explored, and customized through immersive VR technology. Instead of relying only on drawings, images, or imagination, clients can actually step inside the space, experience the environment in real scale, interact with materials, and visualize their future home before construction is even completed. Whether it's modular homes, apartments, resorts, prefab structures, or real estate projects, HomeXR helps builders and clients communicate ideas in a far more realistic, engaging, and interactive way. Thank you so much for watching this walkthrough and experiencing the future of immersive architectural visualization with HomeXR and iWisdom.